transmitter's still down.
Southeastern Iowa County in south central Wisconsin until 5:15 p.m. At 4:24 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Sullivan, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Winds are 15 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated.
This thing's activating somehow. Although it's actually getting pretty good reception.
Outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
Yeah, there's only a handful of them going off. It's on backup power. That's why it's beeping.
Yellowstone Lake State Park. Other landmarks included are the following location: York Memorial Church. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms.
This thing's coming in pretty good right
Spawn
here.
a tornado, go at once into the basement.
Recon's
Small
activating.
central room in the sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. This is